Hello everyone, myself Aishwarya R. Today I am going to discuss about the most important topic in non-conventional energy sources. Now let us see what are the topic I will be discussing in this video. Today I am going to discuss about the flat plate collector. Flat plate collector. Basically, a flat plate collector is a type of solar thermal collector used to harness solar energy from heating purpose. It consists of a flat, rectangular or a square-shaped panel that contains a series of components to capture and to transfer the solar radiation into usable heat energy. The working principle of flat plate collector, it involves several key steps. First one, absorption. The top surface of the flat plate collector is covered with a transparent cover. Typically it is made up of a glass or a plastic. This cover allows the sunlight to pass through and minimizes the heat loss. There is an observer plate which is usually a dark colored metal plate with a high thermal conductivity. The observer plate observes the solar radiation and converts it into the heat energy. Second one, transmission. The observed solar energy is transferred as a heat to a fluid that circulates through the collector. This fluid is usually a mixture of water and an antifreeze solution to prevent a freezing or boiling at extreme temperatures. Third one, conduction. The observer heat is conducted from the observer plate to the fluid circulating in small channels or tubes attached to the plate. These channels are typically made up of a metal and are in direct contact with the observer plate to facilitate the efficient heat transfer. Fourth one, convection. As a fluid absorbs a heat from the observer plate, it becomes hotter and less dense, causing it to raise in natural due to the convection currents. This upward flow of hot fluids carries the heat away from the collector surface. Fifth one, collection. The hot fluid is collected from the top of the collector and it is transferred to a storage tank or use it directly for heating purpose. In a closed loop system, a pump is typically used to circulate the fluid continuously between the collector and the storage tank. Sixth one, utilization. The collected heat energy can be utilized for various applications such as space heating, water heating, or powering an absorption chiller for air conditioning. Now let us see how does a flat plate collector work. The working of flat plate collector is known as FPC. Involves the transfer of a heat or a thermal energy. The operating medium exchanges heat from the sun rays. The heat absorbing plate of the collector is exposed to sunlight. As the sun rays hit the flat plate surface, a portion of their energy is transformed into heat. This leads to a rise in temperature of the flat plate solar collector. When a fluid is passed inside the collector, the temperature of a fluid increases as the heat from the absorbing plate heat is transferred to the fluid. Eventually, the fluid transmits the thermal energy from collectors to the functioning energy system for different uses. It works on the principle of the first and second laws of thermodynamics. Now, let us see the applications of flat plate collector. First one, domestic water heating. Flat plate collectors are commonly used to heat water from residential and a commercial purpose. They can be integrated with existing hot water system or used as a standalone units. The collected solar energy heats up the water flowing through the absorber plate, which can then be stored for a later use. Domestic water heaters. Second one, space heating. Flat plate collectors can also be used for space heating applications. The collected solar energy can be used to heat a air or a fluid which is then circulated through a building's heating system to provide a warmth. Third one, pool heating. Swimming pool owners often use a flat plate collectors to heat the pool water. The collectors capture the solar energy and transfer it to the pool water, helping to extend the swimming season by maintaining the comfortable water temperatures. Fourth one, industrial process heating. Flat plate collectors can be employed in various industrial applications such as drying process, food processing and manufacturing. They can also provide the necessary heat for a specific industrial purpose, reducing the reliance on traditional energy sources and lowering the operational cost. Fifth one, agricultural application. Flat plate collectors are sometimes used in agriculture for tasks like crop drying or greenhouse heating. By utilizing the solar energy, farmers can reduce the energy cost and create a more sustainable farming environment. Sixth one, solar cooling. In some cases, flat plate collectors can be integrated into solar cooling system. This system uses a solar heat to power absorption or absorption chillers, which produces the cooling for air and conditioning or refrigerator purpose. Now, types of flat plate collectors. First, based on glass. Glancing panels. Glancing or glancing panels are insulated panels that embossens a glance covering. They block infrared radiation and provide a insulation to the solar plate. Under the glancing, there is an absorbent in which the working fluid flows. Glanced flat plate collectors are commonly used in household water heating installations. Unglanced panels. These flat plate collectors devices are not glanced. Unglanced panels are usually utilized for swimming pool heating installations. They are inexpensive but less popular. Their temperature range is less than 30 degrees Celsius. Next, based on configuration. Parallel absorbing plate. In a parallel flat plate collector, the heat can be dispersed with a larger volume of circulating fluid via the branches present inside. It can be installed in both horizontal and vertical orientations. Series absorbing plate, such as flat plate collectors, include a sole continuous circuit. It has a high heat jump and a lesser volume of circulating fluid. Components of flat plate collector. Here are the typical components of flat plate collector. Absorbing plate. It is the component inside the collector that traps the solar radiation. The absorbing flat plate converts the solar power into the thermal power. It is a dark plate generally made up of copper foil. Tubes or passages. The absorbing plate in a flat plate collector has a grid of conduits. These are the tubes or the passages for circulation of the heat transfer fluid. It aids in conducting the working fluid from the inlet to the outlet. Insulation or glazing cover. Insulation minimizes the heat loss from the absorbing plate. It is present on the sides and back of the plate collector. The insulation is typically made up of a synthetic foam sheets like fiberglass or the polyurethane or etc. Casing or container. The casing acts as a resting surface or the closure for the components of flat plate solar collector. It is made up of an aluminium and holds all the elements in place. Merits of flat plate collector. Efficiency. Flat plate collectors are highly efficient at converting solar radiation into thermal energy and can achieve the efficiency rates of up to 80%. Durability. Flat plate collectors are durable and can withstand the harsh weather condition including the extreme temperatures and hail. Low maintenance. Flat plate collectors require a very little maintenance which makes them a cost-effective choice for homeowners and businesses. Versatility. Flat plate collectors can be used for a variety of applications including heating, water, space heating and process heating. Demerits of flat plate collectors. Low performance in low light condition. Flat plate collectors are not very effective in low light conditions such as during cloudy weather or at night. Limited heat storage capacity. FPCs do not have a large heat storage capacity, which means that the heat they produce must be used immediately or it will be lost. Installation complexity. The installation of flat plate collectors can be a complex and require a skilled technician to ensure that they are installed properly. Cost. While flat plate collectors can be cost effective in the long run, they can be expensive to purchase and to install initially. Conclusion. A flat plate collector is a device acting as a heat exchanger. It converts a solar power into thermal energy. It can gather the solar energy and use it into the heat water in the house for bathing, washing, etc. Also, it can be used to heat the hot tubs and swimming pools. The flat plate collectors prove to be a more feasible than other water heating systems due to their economic price, simple design and easy installation. They greatly help to save on energy bills. Thank you.